ArtFest International presents the Art Channel Galleries, changing the way the world buys and collects art. At Art Channel Galleries, we are building the best direct sales marketing company in the world, with the finest artists in the world, museum quality, signed and numbered, fine art reproductions and collectibles, award-winning marketing and television support, vertical markets integration with first, secondary, and retail markets opportunity, and most importantly, the best and most rewarding rewards program and compensation plan. To accomplish all of this, we have assembled industry-leading strategic partners revolving around Art Channel Galleries. ArtFest International's licensing division provides the top artists and talents within the art community. Some of our current artists include Randy Jacobs, Kathy Metcalf, Tom Dubois, Nenad Merkovich, Bob Monroe, Ginger Cook, Romano, Harry Thompson, Aubrey Anna, Justin Sparks, Sam Park, Thomas Stilts, and many more. The Art Channel Gallery's limited edition fine art is reproduced by our worldwide printing and reproduction partners, including American Lithocolor, with over 35 years of fine art reproduction experience. Using advanced digital imaging technology along with the finest canvas and inks, Art Channel Galleries is able to create beautiful, second-to-none, museum-quality digital art reproductions. Your customers can receive their limited edition art reproductions rolled in tubes, gallery stretched, or delivered stretched and framed, ready to hang on the wall. TNT Media Productions is an award-winning multimedia television and video production and web design company based in Dallas, Texas. TNT's talented creative team caters to the total production needs for its clients, utilizing the latest in emerging technologies. Some of TNT's clients include Nokia, The Product Launch Show, Home Interiors Dallas Woodcraft, Ericsson, the City of Dallas, World Wrestling Legends, Huffines Communities, and Dr. Pepper 7-Up, just to name a few. Intellicon is a first-class staging, audio-visual equipment rentals, and event and concert productions company. Some of Intellicon's concert credits include Michael W. Smith, DC Talk, KISS, Coca-Cola, WWF, WWE, EDS, Mary Kay, Beauty Control, Manatech, Forever Living, Excel, Nu Skin, Alliance International, Relive, and Advocare. Revolve Communications is a promotions, PR, and advertising agency, as well as a producer of television shows and events. Some of Revolve's credits include the Great American Roadhouse, RFD Network, Singular, and Siemens. With these powerful strategic partnerships, along with the Art Channel's exclusive authentication process of limited edition, signed and numbered fine art and collectibles, demand for our products in the marketplace is increasing exponentially. Through Art Channel Gallery's opportunity infomercials, artist showcases, art education, and entertainment shows, combined with currently over 20 million homes distribution, the Art Channel is bringing the power of television and internet broadcasting to each and every one of our direct sales team members. Every member will have the opportunity to benefit from the television and online sales, as well as the lead generation to help them build their own teams. Art Channel Galleries has the most rewarding rewards program and compensation plan in the direct sales business. This program includes 20% commissions for preferred customer purchases and from the purchases of your personally introduced associate members. Combine that with the potential for reward cards credits, bonus cards credits, possible 6% team overrides, as well as our global sharing credits, and you have got a formula for a very exciting and potentially very rewarding business opportunity right in front of you. Our direct sales team is growing fast. We've assembled the best of class in strategic partners and service providers. The only and the most important strategic partner that's missing is you. Art Channel Galleries is truly changing the way the world buys and collects art. So don't let this opportunity pass you by. Become an Art Channel Galleries member today. Thank you.